Hello all, today we're going to give you a quick overview on the iScrub 21B and show you some live demonstrations of it in action. Stay with us. With the iScrub 21B comes a carry case, a plastic container for all your accessories. So here we've got our microfiber pads, they're great for polishing stainless steel. Then our pad drives, there's also optional scourer pads which you can get to attach to your pad drives. Then you've got two different grades of brushes here, a soft and a medium. Then we've got a powerful 6.6 amp hour lithium battery. These will give you 2.5 hours runtime. Charge time is only 2 hours, so you've got continuous runtime if you have two sets of batteries. Then we've got our charger here, and then we've got our two different holders for the motor. So this is our handheld caddy, which we'll show you in a moment. The motor clips off and clips onto the handheld caddy. And here's our main telescopic one with a tank, which we'll give you a live demonstration of in a moment. So it runs two counter-rotating brush heads at 400 RPM. And the great benefit of having counter-rotating brushes is it allows the user to apply a lot more downward pressure without losing control of the machine, whereas a lot of traditional micro scrubbers only have a single brush head, and as soon as you apply downward pressure on a rough surface you start to lose control of the machine. And as you can also see, it's got a swivel head, so it's very versatile, great for cleaning behind toilets, doing on your stair risers, cleaning walls. There's really no area you can't get to with the flexible head. Now to show you the handheld unit, very simple to change over. So to unplug your cable here, clip this off. So then attach your handheld unit, plug the cable in, plug your battery in the back, and then we're ready to go. We've got a belt clip here, so you can attach it onto your belt. There's also a battery level indicator here. So as you can see, that's spinning at 400 RPM and they're counter rotating, so by good downward pressure without losing control of it. With the battery, there's two ways to hold the battery. One, you can clip it onto your belt, otherwise you can remove this belt clip by squeezing the tabs and sliding it down, or otherwise you can attach it on the back of the tank. So very simple controls. Up here, switch it on, then you got your water release button. Switch that on and release the water that comes out underneath. Tilt the head to do it on the wall. This is another perfect type of flooring to clean with the iScrub 21. This type of flooring is not easy to clean with any other traditional mopping methods or even the scrubber dryer, because often it's put at the front of stairs or lifts or the likes, which are hard to reach areas. Now we'll give you a look at cleaning the stairs and the stair risers. There we go, you can see quite a difference there. Got right in to all those screws, including the tread, compared to some of these other stairs here. If you've got any further questions, please reach out to us.